Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig installed from Yolissa hair. I'm showing you all of the goodies they sent over. This wig came already pre-plucked and it looks so good even before I put it on, and it was pre-curled, which was nice. I love how nice and defined the part is, and this is like their scalloped cut. This is a pre-cut wig. This wig has a 5x5 lace closure. It has an elastic band on it as well. Before I install the wig, I'm tinting my lace using my Even Lace tinting spray in the darkest brown. I'm wearing it as a glueless wig, so I'm making the elastic band pretty tight so that it doesn't lift or anything, and I'm just trying it on. And like I said, they already pre-curled it, which was fantastic, so I don't have to do too much. I am gonna go in with my wax stick and use my hot comb to make sure the top is nice and flat, and I'm just running my fingers through it and like detangling it because I want it to be like a loose curl kind of look. The color of this wig is absolutely beautiful. It's the P4/613 color, and it is 22 inches. So right now I'm just hot combing the top of it, making sure that it's nice and flat so it won't have a wiggy look or anything at all. This wig didn't take much work. Pulling out a little bit of hair in the front because I'm going to add very light layers to the front just so that it can frame my face. And now I'm just brushing this hair. I love that this hair was so soft, y'all. This hair was nice and soft and just silky. It just felt really good. It was easy to brush through and it didn't have any tangles. Now I'm just going to go in and curl just the top of my hair. The rest of it I didn't really have to curl since it was already ready. I'm just curling like my little bangs, side bangs, like where I cut it a little bit so you guys can see the difference in how it frames my face a little bit better. Okay, y'all, that is it. This was a super easy install. It was so easy to put on. Y'all saw that I didn't have to do much. I'm loving that it came pre-plucked, and they did a really good job of plucking it. The hairline looks very natural, and now I'm just planning the hair. As you guys can see, it doesn't have any tangles, and the back of it, like the hair color, is just absolutely beautiful. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement. It's really shiny and it's really soft. This wig is completely glueless, so you can definitely wear it and go. If you guys are interested in this beautiful unit from Yolissa Hair, I will definitely have all the links down below in the description. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!